Hello, welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Olabisi Ashishana, and on this channel today I'll be teaching you how to get Grammarly Premium for free. Most of you don't know what Grammarly Premium is, right? Grammarly Premium is a website that helps you review your grammar, your spelling, your punctuation marks, and what have you in the tickling of an eye. You get everything done in the tickling of an eye. Although there is a free version of Grammarly Premium, right? But once you can get the premium version, you'll be wowed because you have access to over 4,000 features on the premium versions, right? Are you excited? So if you're excited to know how to get Grammarly Premium for free, kindly stick with me to the end of this video. So firstly, you'll be going ahead to your Chrome browser, right to your Chrome browser, right? Grammarly affiliate program. So once you're on your Chrome browser and it brings out this interface, just click on affiliates, right? Click on affiliates. Click on affiliates, and you can also do well to scroll down. You can see this, become an affiliate, sign in as an affiliate. So you can also do well to scroll down the page. There are a lot of ways you can also earn as an affiliate with Grammarly. If someone subscribe with your affiliate link, you can have access to get 20 cents. But if the person is upgrading to premium, like I'm going to show you how to get your premium for free, you're going to get $20 per sign up, right? That's interesting, right? So, and other features of Grammarly, you have grammar checker, plagiarism, citation generator, essay checker, private, a lot. Over 4,000 features are here on Grammarly that you can explore for yourselves, right? So let's go ahead to the purpose of today's video is how to become an affiliate with Grammarly so that you can have access to Grammarly Premium for life, right? So click on become an affiliate. Click on become an affiliate. Oh yes, so we are here, become an affiliate. So I'll just go ahead and fill in my details. Just follow the prompts, right? Just follow the prompts. Just follow the prompts. Here I'm going to put in my YouTube URL for this website. So you can also go ahead, if you don't have a YouTube channel, your social links for your website. So address, I'm just going to put something random, right? It's my city. So my country, right? So go ahead and fill in your country, Nigeria. So your region, Southwest. That's my region here in Nigeria. So your zip code, if you don't know what zip code is, just go to Google and just type in zip code for my area. So just type in zip code. Let me say, okay, zip code for Surulere, right? So it's gonna give you different ones. You can see this. So just pick one. Just pick one, right? Just pick one and paste it there. Just pick one and paste it there. Right, good, right? So yeah, I'll just put in my contacts. It's important to put your contacts so they can contact you. Not like they contact you always, but you know, just to be on the safer side. So just put your contact and go ahead. So yeah, I'm going to put my first name, and yeah, I'm going to put my surname, right? So okay, title is not necessary, so just go ahead and put in your, you can bypass that. Just go ahead and put in your email address. Just follow the prompts, right? Just follow the prompts. It's no big deal. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna put in my password. That's what I'm gonna be using. and make sure your password is strong enough, right? All right, so we're done with that. So websites here, I'm still going to be putting my YouTube, copy, my YouTube URL. So yeah, you say, I understand non-US payments are available by the bank wire. Just read this. Just make sure you read this and just come down here and click on I understand. Read this and make sure you click on I understand. Alright, so we're making progress, right? So wow, we are the final stage. So at the final stage, just make sure you go through these terms and conditions. It's very, very important. You can click on it, look at what is all about, the pros and the cons, right? So, but I won't be reading that. So once you're done reading, just click on I agree and come here. I agree to the term of partner terms. So when you're done, and click on sign up. Wow, so you can see that your application is currently being reviewed and account manager will contact you shortly. So in the next 2 or 3 days, our account manager will be contacting us, giving us the necessary login details we need to start earning as an affiliate. So with this, once they've given you your necessary your login details, you can go ahead and enjoy Grammarly Premium for free for lifetime, and you'll be good. And another way of also making money with this is you can share your affiliate links, your social medias, and ask people to sign up, right? And make good money for yourself. Making $20 is not a beans, right? God bless you and thank you for watching till the end. Bye.